sodium-ion battery is entering into the battery world. As we know that the current market leader in battery world is lithium-ion based battery, but the sodium-ion technology is ready, it is cheap, and it is safe. But I'm going to talk about a very interesting thing regarding sodium-ion and lithium-ion. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has recently tweeted about lithium, that the price of lithium has gone to insane level. We know that lithium can be produced from lithium hydroxide. This is a precursor, this is a source of lithium, right? And if we compare the metric ton of lithium hydroxide in 2019 and 2022, so the difference is huge. You cannot compare the difference even because it is manifold increase from 2019 to 2022. Now why this price is increasing, and this is a problem with the lithium, is we can tell simply that lithium has a fundamental problem. Why the lithium price is increasing with the great pace? The answer is because of the demands. Electric vehicles. We know that throughout the world people are switching toward electric vehicles. So it will require more lithium-ion batteries. So that we know from the business model, if there is an increase of demand, so it means the price go up, right? So electric vehicle all over the world, people are switching toward electric vehicles. Even the hybrid electric vehicles, right? Means sometimes it run on battery and sometimes it run on fuel. And stationary energy units, it's also increasing. In portable electronic devices, this means wireless telephone, wireless headphones, and all these things, the small gadgets, they basically have the lithium-ion battery. So the price of lithium will stay high, and this is why researchers are switching toward the sodium, right? So there is a huge potential in this technology, and if somebody want to work, so they can attract a lot of grants and collaborations across the companies, and people are basically switching from lithium to the sodium.